Welcome back everyone. Have you ever noticed patterns in numbers and wondered if they always hold true? How do mathematicians prove that a formula works for all numbers? Well, one powerful method is mathematical induction. So let's begin exploring this topic. And later we'll solve a problem from MYP4 Maths textbook. So first, we will understand what induction means. Induction helps us prove that a mathematical statement is true for all natural numbers. It works in two simple steps. Base step. We check if the formula works for the first number, usually n is equal to 1. And next, the inductive step. We assume that it works for some number n is equal to k and then prove it for n is equal to k plus 1. So let's begin solving a problem. Just give me a moment to erase this part. Now the question is part A. What is the nth multiple of 3? What is the nth multiple of number 3? So we know the answer is, what does multiple of 3 mean? 3 into 1 is equal to 3. 3 into 2 is equal to 6 and so on. So what is the nth multiple of 3? 3n. This is the answer. Now part B. Find the nth term of, find the nth term of, first part, 1, 4, 7, 10, 13 and so on. Now we notice that we are adding 3 every time. So 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. 10 plus 3 is equal to 13 and so on. So since we are adding 3 each time, the formula must involve 3n. So if the formula is 3n, then we will generate the set, the expression n will generate what numbers? 3 ones are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and so on. If n is equal to 1, then 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. 3 ones are 3, minus 2 is equal to 1. So we have the number 1 here. If n is equal to 2, then 3 into 2 minus 2, which is 3 to the 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. So we have the second term here. If n is equal to 3, then 3 into 3 minus 2 is equal to 7. So we have the number here. And so on. Therefore, the nth term is 3 from here, from this part, 3n minus 2, or we simply write it as 3n minus 2 without the bracket. So this is the nth term. Now we'll solve the second part. Just give me a moment. Now part 2. Find the nth term of 1, 1 by 3, 1 by 9, 1 by 27, 1 by 81 and so on. Now we notice that we are multiplying by 1 by 3 each time. So we observe that if n is equal to 1, then it is 1 into 1 by 3, 1 minus 1, which is 1 into 1 by 3 to the power 0. We know that any number to the power raised to the power 0 is 1. So this is 1 into 1, which is 1. So the first term is 1. If n is equal to 2, then the value is 1, 3 to the power 2 minus 1, which is 1 by 3. If n is equal to 3, then it is 1 by 3, which is 1 by 3 square, which is 1 by 9 and so on. So therefore, the nth term is 1 by 3 to the power n minus 1. I hope this lesson helped you understand formula by induction in an easy way. Keep practicing and you'll master this topic in no time. If you enjoyed this lesson, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, happy learning!